In this video, I'm going to teach you how to download FNAF2 for PC for free legally. So FNAF2 means Five Nights at Freddy's 2, and you can find it or download it using the Sophonic link. So as you can see, this is a paid version and you can download it for Windows or buy it from the trusted partner. If you indeed choose the buy option, you can head over and then do so by going over to the buy option, and you can buy it either on Steam or directly from their actual site. Once you have it ready, you should be able to download it all together. And once you have paid for it, you can buy it from there and then have it installed on your computer. So you can see the platform, which is Steam. You can just choose right here the method, add it to cart, buy this, and once it's done downloading, you can head over and then try to install it once it's done for that as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.